Hi, I'm Ali from Bragi, and I'd like to introduce you to the Headphone, an incredible, new listening experience. The Headphone uses Bluetooth to stream media and phone calls, so you can pair it to phones, tablets, computers, all sorts of stuff. Here's how you pair it for the first time. When you turn the Headphone on for the first time, it immediately begins to look for a device to connect to. You'll know the Headphone is looking for a device to pair with when you see the light blinking, and you hear this sound. The Headphone will appear in your list of devices to connect with. So all you do is simply go to your Bluetooth settings, look through the list, pair, and you're ready to stream wirelessly. The Headphone's controls are all on the right side. From here, I can turn the volume up, down, pause, and play my music. I can also handle phone calls and activate my phone's assistant. The Headphone also has audio transparency. To activate it, simply use the volume controls. With audio transparency, I can enjoy my music and still be aware of the surrounding world. When you're done using your Headphone, simply turn it off and pop it back into the carry case. The carry case is also the Headphone's charger. Simply plug it in with micro USB so you can charge it up for another day with your Headphone.
This is my Forerunner story. Running takes me and my mind to places you don't easily get to in a busy world. It helps me to see my neighbours and my neighbourhood, so I feel a part of the community. It clears my mind, both at the start or the finish of the day. I like to set myself some goals, even some just fun when I'm running alone or with friends. That's my Forerunner story.
A 52-quart Bluetooth cooler stereo, including microphone, loudspeaker system. Is it a cooler or a party? It is both and more. Taking the indoors outside has never been so fun or so easy. Stock up your cooler and wheel it along effortlessly. Then enjoy perfectly chilled drinks for up to 16 hours. Outstanding sound, and even charge your devices from this awesome unit. Featuring CD, AUX, and MP3 inputs, a battery level indicator, a USB device charging socket, and a microphone for karaoke, and a remote control for easy use.
This thermostat will make you love your thermostat. It's in millions of homes around the world. It's helped save billions of kilowatt hours of energy so far. And that's just the beginning. Meet the third generation Nest Learning Thermostat. It has a bigger, sharper screen, controls your hot water tank, and it's even better at learning what you like. Just turn it up or down. It will catch on after a few days and create a personalized schedule for you. That's how the Nest Thermostat saves energy. It's easy to learn how to save more every day. Just follow the leaf. It turns off the heating when you leave, and the hot water when you're on holiday. And you can control it from anywhere. You can see how much energy you use every day, and how to use less. Energy companies around the world are partnering with Nest, so even more homes can save even more energy. The Nest Learning Thermostat programs itself, saves energy.
It's true. vívofit 3 lets you change up how you move, track your activity, and more. Once you pair it with a compatible smartphone, it can really change how you get daily exercise and begin to establish healthier habits. In this video, we'll guide you through the very simple process of pairing your vívofit 3 to a smartphone, so you'll be all set to monitor your activity and sync results to our free app for easy review. First, download the Garmin Connect mobile app by visiting this web address or by searching for the app by name in the App Store on your smartphone. Once the download is complete, open the Garmin Connect mobile app on your phone and follow the on-screen instructions to set up an account using your email address. After you finish setting up your user profile, press the device key on your vívofit 3 to turn on the activity tracker. It will automatically power on in pairing mode. Follow the on-screen instructions on your smartphone to add a device and finish the setup process. Even though your device will periodically sync data to the Garmin Connect mobile app automatically, you can manually sync data at any time. Just make sure your vívofit 3 is near the connected smartphone. Open the Garmin Connect mobile app or just have it running in the background as you press and hold the device key until the looping arrow's sync symbol appears. Wait a few moments for the data to sync, and then you can view it in the Garmin Connect mobile app. That's all there is to it. Now you have access to your steps, sleep, online challenges, and more.
Whether you're moving, renovating, or want to expand your smart home, there's a smart lock that's right for you. Let's explore your options. Keypad locks replace your current lock without needing keys. To unlock your door, simply enter your unique entry code to get in. When you leave, lock the door behind you by simply tapping the keypad. It's easy to create multiple entry codes for your entire family that you can change anytime. Or set it to auto lock, so you don't have to think about it. Want the same great features for doors without a deadbolt? Consider a lever lock. Lever locks are great for garage doors and home offices. If you want to keep your keys and still enjoy the benefits of a keypad, consider a keyed option. Most smart locks offer remote access, so your phone now becomes your key. These locks make it easy to remotely control your door using an app and your home Wi-Fi with a simple tap. Securely lock and unlock your door from anywhere. Set it to auto unlock. You never have to pull your phone out of your pocket. The door automatically unlocks and locks behind you using Bluetooth. Need to let someone in when you're not at home? Like when mom is early. Remotely let guests in anywhere, anytime. Create secure, temporary keys right on the app. For friends, family, service people. Once a set time ends, keys are automatically deleted. Track your door's activity so you know who comes and goes. Set alerts that matter to you, like getting alerted when your son arrives home. For total peace of mind, some locks let you check if your door is both closed and locked. You can also use your voice assistants like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to check your door status and control your door. If you don't want to touch your front door's hardware or are renting, a retrofit lock is a perfect solution. These locks are easy to install and offer all the same remote access features. They attach to your existing lock on the inside of your door. Plus, keep your keys. Smart locks easily integrate into your smart home network, including wireless doorbell cams and home security systems. Most smart locks install in just minutes and only require a screwdriver. And don't forget about matching hardware. Complete your front door upgrade by purchasing matching handles to fit your door style.
Is your existing Wi-Fi signal too weak to reach where you need it? Then you need to know about the AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender from Netgear. Like other Netgear range extenders, the extender works with any brand of Wi-Fi router to boost the range of your existing signal and deliver seamless, lightning-fast Wi-Fi coverage wherever you need it. It extends any Wi-Fi and maximizes your network speed, providing up to 1200 megabits per second to the latest AC Wi-Fi devices. The powerful external antennas give wider, stronger coverage, while dual-band support improves signal quality. Even better, by using both Wi-Fi bands simultaneously, Netgear FastLane technology enables the AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender to establish super fast wireless connections that are perfect for HD gaming and streaming. A gigabit Ethernet port also allows you to connect wired devices to your Wi-Fi network, or when to set to access point mode, you can plug in a wired internet connection and create a new Wi-Fi hotspot. Best of all, the AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender is effortless to install. The wall plug design lets you discreetly plug it into any electrical outlet, and directional arrows on the unit guide you to the location where the extender will work best. Finally, using the free Wi-Fi Analytics app for your Android device, you can test and confirm you have optimized your Wi-Fi network. So go ahead and give your Wi-Fi a boost. Enjoy fast, seamless connectivity wherever you want it with the AC1200 Wi-Fi range extender from Netgear.
Engineered for victory. The Linksys WRT32X gaming router is exclusively built for gamers. With its killer prioritization engine, the WRT32X reduces peak ping by up to 77%. Auto syncs with killer-enabled PCs for unique functionality not found in other routers. Native pro-grade hardware ensures the router runs powerfully and reliably for endless hours of gameplay. And the custom-built firmware and interface are developed for an exceptional gaming experience. Built for gaming. Designed to dominate.